Welcome to part 2 of my Simrig build. I'm doing a little unboxing here of my Simagic Alpha Ultimate wheelbase. I had previously been using Moza R5, which served me well for quite a while, but I didn't want to upgrade to a stronger wheelbase until I had a more rigid rig. So recently I also upgraded to the Rig Metal Plus profile rig, and I'm very excited to be able to get this new wheelbase on there and see how it goes. There were quite a few different components included with the wheelbase here, including this power block that has a switch on it in line with the cable, and came with the various cables needed to hook it up, and some good quality hardware. This is an emergency stop button. I don't know if I'll ever use it, but it looks kind of cool. This wheelbase is seriously heavy. It's kind of hard to wrangle around without feeling like you're going to drop it. It feels like a very high quality unit, and so I'm hoping it will work well for many years. Even though it's not powered up, it's kind of interesting that when you turn the shaft, that light actually lights up with some kind of passive power. In part 1 of my Simrig build, I talked about how I wanted to make an elevated platform for the whole Simrig, which I made out of 2x6 framing and plywood flooring, and then I covered it with garage flooring that I bought. And you can see here where I've trimmed it out with some aluminum trim along the edges, and I'm actually really happy with how it came out. Another thing I added to the new rig setup is a PXN Button Box, and this was not a very expensive button box, but I wanted to get one because I was kind of running out of usable buttons on my Moza KS steering wheel. So the plan was to have a few more options, and even though it was kind of shallow, I kind of wanted that push button start to be able to fire up whatever car I was going to be driving. And it seems like a pretty decent unit. I mean, it's definitely just a plastic box, but the buttons feel pretty decent. Another upgrade I decided to add was one Simagic haptic motor, and these seem like pretty interesting offering, and I've been reading a lot of good reviews about them. So I ordered one up just for the brake pedal, and then on Etsy I got this adapter that fits the motor onto my Fanatec CSL pedal, and I had to modify it a little bit to get it to fit. I had to grind down some of the plastic, and then one of the eyes for the screws broke on it, but it did fit pretty well onto the pedal, so it served its purpose.